Hi there, 8th grade students. It's Mr. Kerr, and welcome to the spooky Halloween week as we go into week 11. A couple of things. As always, make sure you are checking your grade book. And I know it says something a little bit different on yours, but check your grades. Make sure you've checked your messages, emails, and all of that. Go through the Start Here folder at least once a week just to double check that you know what's going on in class. And if you have any questions, we've gone through Unit 1. We're in Unit 2 working on week 11, Manifest Destiny and Trails West. And we talked a little bit about Manifest Destiny and last week. Also want to remind you your ballot extra credit is quickly coming to an end. So I would really encourage all of you to take part in the ballot extra credit. If you have any questions, let me know. And other than that, we are getting on to week 11. Now, being the spooky Halloween week, this is actually a little bit of a light week as far as work goes. So again, as we did last week, I've moved the quiz up to the beginning of the week. So please take that Monday morning. You're watching this video, right? Monday morning, hopefully. Take the quiz. Get it done just as a pretest. I'll let you take it once early in the week, and then I will move it back to Friday, and then on Friday I'll open it up for you to take again and get 100% because you'll have gone through, you'll know what you're focusing on for the week at that point and all that good stuff. Go ahead and go through each day. We do have vocab not to turn in, but you do need to get the vocab done, go through all the good stuff, and then we have the discussion board about Manifest Destiny. Make sure you follow all the directions and, of course, use your vocab bolded and underlined. And as I said, I will be moving the quiz back to day 5 for the end of the week. And again, it's a pretty light week overall with work and assignments and everything. So please make sure you get everything in. Take the quiz as a pretest on Monday, and then get 100% on it on Friday when I open it up again. Get your discussion board on Manifest Destiny done, and enjoy your Halloween. All right, great. We'll see some of you on Wednesday. Let me know if you have any questions, and try not to be too scared this week. Adios. Bye.